Okay, so here's what I'm looking at intraday, and I'm going to rationalize this in any way that I can. I think I probably got in too early. Honestly, I'm going to rationalize it by saying I really wanted to go to the gym, and it was worth it. So, let's see, how are we doing on the SPY? Yeah, like I was saying. So, if I'm on the Dow Jones ETF, and they all look pretty similar to this, if I take, well, first, you already know, like, if I do the 60-day, and I do I just do a simple retracement bracket, it's going to put us that we're just getting above, or actually just hitting the 61.8 retracement. If I go into the ETF, which will give us a little bit of tracking error, and I zoom into here, I'm going to take the entire distance of the first wave, so that's from here to here. I'm not counting that climax spike, and then project that again from the very bottom and of this correction. So that's going to give us a target of about 128.87, 128.73. So that's the first price projection method. Second one is if I zoom in here and I actually count the individual subwaves of this movement. So if I do, let's see, that's the very bottom. If I just go to a simple 10-day chart and I look at this. So we're going to call this the bottom, and it's going to be, this is wave 1 up. So 1, then this is the bottom of 2, and then 3 takes us all the way up to here. 3, 4 is this down wave, this downward movement right here. Notice alteration, the first corrective wave, which is number 2, sharp. The fourth corrective wave will be not sharp, but it's mostly flat. Makes sense. It's actually a small triangle formation if you want to draw the lines, but I won't. And then we are in number 5 right now. So if I'm using those measurements, what price target does that give us? Well, we go from the bottom to the top, or I think I'll actually go top to bottom in this one. So top to the bottom, project it from the bottom of number 2. We see that it hits the wave 3 right at the top, and then we take the same projection from the bottom of here, gives us a target of 128.73. So still more upside in the Dow. Same story is pretty much with the S&P 500. So we just take the first wave, and it's amazing how abundantly clear this becomes once you get into the final wave. So take that, wave 3 goes up to here, 1, 2, 3, and then the last wave will take us up to, if I call that the corrective area, it's going to take us to just about where we are right now. So it's going to be close to the end of that wave. Russell 2000, if I go to that one, honestly, I'm not even going to do it. But if I take, I'll just do this one for fun. Okay, so this one down from the bottom to the very top, 1, 2, and then I think this was a 1, 2, yeah, that was a flat correction, and it takes us up to here. Actually, this one's not clear, so I'm not going to do it. Just the bottom line, which I'm trying to say, is that the rally that we're in right now, it's going to end very soon, so don't buy.